okay. Yesterday was a bit choppy, and I got videos going up showing yesterday and some prior action. I've been making all kinds of videos all day, so later part of the day I'm going to start launching a bunch of these videos at the Grid Algo YouTube channel like this one. Coming into the US cash session open, we did have some initial lift out of the US cash session open. Market chopped for an extended period of time, then had a nice big pump. So beautiful long signal after that area held for so long. So basically we had a pivot here, hold, descending area hold, and then we got lift out of there and got a long signal. That was a really nice one. Pressed. Got one more last little push, and then we rotated, and it was such a pronounced sell-off, we never really reset to look for new downside signals for this whole run. Then we had enough of a lift in here that we got another signal, trend continuation. We did blow out this lower pivot, had a level sweep, and then right after the level sweep got a long signal, another one. So really nice action today. And I figured we were due for a move, considering we have 2 days almost of like just range bound junk consolidation. So the MOM signals did good today. On this time frame, the MOM or momentum signals, and let's go in here and fix that right here real quick. Just notice this. So anyhow, these signals are, put a letter I in there. There we go. We'll go backwards, and voila. So anyhow, these signals are getting ready to be fully automated for the Algo IQ group without having to use Algo Studio Pro. I'm writing a strategy. I've been working on that some with the programmer. We got our super bands in build. These are the old bands that I use with the iGrid program. These are not the super bands. The super bands plot differently than this. But anyhow, got super bands in build. Hopefully can start showcasing those by Friday. It's drug out a little bit only because my programmer and I went down a few more avenues of possibilities just to vet out everything before I wrap it all up. And then what was I going to say? But yeah, I'm building a fully automated strategy for the Algo IQ group so you can take advantage of these bursts of momentum regardless of the bar type you're on, the instrument, the time frame, and so on, to do some, really targeted precision scalping with, initial stop set, initial targets, benchmark to move your initial stop to break even plus, and then an active trail stop mechanism. And yeah, some fantastic moves today made up for the last 2 days. I had a really strong day. So let's take a quick look here real quick. That was on my last two master accounts on NT8, which by the end of this week, I'm going to have everything that I've ever done on NT8 completely gone and all moved over to Quantower. I'm on my laptop. I run my Quantower automated stuff on PCs in the trade office. That was done pretty early today. Caught two longs in a row, and then I was over daily goal, and that was that. And then today I've been working mom signals for most of the day on some various accounts. But anyhow, yeah, I'll be completely off NT8 by the end of the week. Will not be doing any more automated trading ever again on NT8. Kraken, of course, bought NT8, and Kraken's been hiring a ton of web-based developers, so very likely they're going to be moving NinjaTrader over to a web-based platform, probably maybe Q1 of 2026 would be my guess. I doubt they do it before then, but you never know. So anyhow, the mom signals worked out really good today, and some good follow through. Starting to get a little worried when you see that see that, thinking, oh, we got two pushes and then we're going to stall out. But no, we got a nice big pump. I like when I see areas hold and then I get a signal. That was a nice lift. And overall, we're just getting warmed up with the mom signals, targeting precision moves of momentum. And we don't really even have this at all dialed in yet, but I can go in a wide range of instruments and time frames and different bar types and get pretty dialed in manually in about 2 minutes, 3 minutes time. So anyhow, I do have, let's see, one or two, I think two June in-person Algo IQ live trading event positions for June, 3 for July, I think 3 or 4 for August, and then we do have remote positions. So if you have a question about that, we are not at all ever going to make the Algo IQ AIQ indicator, the super bands, or the tilt trader that we're building ever be out in masses to the trading public. We're only going to allow access to a very limited amount of traders through our in-person and remote attendance live trading events. And then it's a 1-year continuity plan after that where anything new we make, any updates, and so on and so on. And we have a private Algo IQ community, not on Discord, on a more secure platform. So anyhow, there you have it. If you have any questions, just let me know at info@gridalgo.com. Let me type that up here quick. So we do use the AIQ1 indicator for both reversal signals. I have that toggled off right now, and I have it toggled on to mom signals. So anyhow, there's a lot of videos that are going to be getting posted up today, tomorrow, leading up to the Memorial Weekend. So you guys can see more showcasing of what all the AIQ1 indicator can do. And then also a little bit more about the super bands about to be deployed to our group, hopefully coming here into the end of the week. And then I'm going to be working on next week, the tilt trader for the group, which is going to be a sophisticated, very visually efficient manual discretionary trading tool. So there you have it. If you have any questions, info@gridalgo.com. You guys have a great day, and talk to you a bit later.